In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this 48 volt, 10.4 amp hour battery I got from my Lectric XP Stepover bike. Full transparency, I did purchase this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So normally I don't do unboxing videos. I haven't done them in a while, but I started to open this box up and I looked at the packaging for this battery and I was so impressed I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys just so that you can see the quality of packaging that it comes with. I'm going to do another video of actually getting it charged up and putting it in the bike. But for now, let's unbox this battery. So guys, it does just come in a plain brown box. Nothing special about that. But when you look inside, the battery is surrounded by styrofoam. So I'm going to take this up out of here. And you see it's totally wrapped in styrofoam. It is in a plastic bag to keep it protected from water or whatever during shipping. I'm assuming these do come across the water in a container. I mean, just packaging is exquisite. That's what it looks like down inside of the styrofoam there. And so this here is for a Lectric XP 1.0 that I have. It's a Stepover. That's the battery. It does come with 2 keys, and it also came with a charger. So I've got a 1.0. The battery is got a dead cell in it. It doesn't hold a charge very well, so I picked up this battery here to replace it. It looks to be to spec. I will be doing charging, and I'll be taking it out for a test drive, and I'll give you guys another video on that. Hope this helps.